press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hi, hello my dear students. Yes, in the previous session we discussed about non-communicable diseases and diseases. Yes, diseases may cause due to lack of vitamins and also germs. Yes or no? So we classify two types of diseases, non-communicable diseases and communicable diseases. Yes or no? See, in the previous session we discussed about non-communicable diseases. See, non-communicable diseases means it's a deficiency diseases, means lack of some vitamins and minerals cause many diseases like night blindness, scurvy, rickets, anemia, goitry. See, these are diseases is a cause lack of some vitamins and minerals. Okay, by taking food, so nutritional food or which food contains vitamins and minerals, by taking all this food we can control these diseases. Okay, see, next we are going to learn about the communicable diseases. Which one? Communicable diseases. Communicable diseases means ಸಾಂಕ್ರಾಮಿಕ ರೋಗ. So communicable disease ಅಂದರೆ ಸಾಂಕ್ರಾಮಿಕ ರೋಗ. See, communicable diseases spread from, so communicable diseases spread from person to person, person to another person to another, or a person. These diseases are called what? Communicable diseases. See, communicable diseases spread. So ಒಬ್ಬರಿಂದ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಡಿಸೀಸಸ್ ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈಗ ನಮಗೆ ಬಂದಿರೋದು ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ಬಂದುಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಡಿಸೀಸಸ್. ಬಟ್ ನಾನ್ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಬಲ್ ಡಿಸೀಸ್ do not spread from person to person, but communicable diseases spread from person to person. ಸೊ ಈಗ ನನಗೆ ಜ್ವರ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ನನ್ನಿಂದ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅವ್ರು ನನ್ನ ಜೊತೆ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದರು ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ಜ್ವರ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವೇನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಡ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಬಲ್ ಡಿಸೀಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. ಸಿ, ನಾರ್ಮಲಿ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಬಲ್ ಡಿಸೀಸಸ್ ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಡ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ germs. Communicable diseases are spread from germs. Okay, through, see, normally communicable diseases spread through air, contaminated water and food. See, ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಬಲ್ ಡಿಸೀಸಸ್ ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಡ್ ಥ್ರೂ. ಸೊ ಈಗ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ, ಸೊ ನನಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಡಿಸೀಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ವಿಚ್ ದಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಬಲ್ ಡಿಸೀಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತಂದರೆ ನನ್ನಿಂದ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಡ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ, ಸೊ ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಡ್ ಥ್ರೂ ಏರ್, ಕಂಟಾಮಿನೇಟೆಡ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫುಡ್. By these all diseases spread from person to person. See, normally communicable diseases are caused by germs. Germs means it's a very tiny living organisms. Germs means what? Tiny living organism. See, germs means tiny living organisms. Okay, see, which organisms cause, see, these tiny living organisms cause what? Disease. See, which tiny living organisms cause diseases are called what? Germs. Germs means tiny living organisms cause disease are called what? Germs. See, what is microorganisms? ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಈ ಟೈನಿ ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ಗಾನಿಸಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾವುದು? See, we can see many organisms. See, there are many living organisms in our earth, so on earth. Yes or no? So we can see easily like elephant, dog, and then cat, see, we can see. Yes, a small organism, some small living organisms like we can see easily, ants, mosquito, horsefly also. But we cannot see some living organisms with our naked eyes. So we cannot see some living organisms with our naked eyes. These organisms are called what? Microbes. Microbes ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಬರೀ ಕಣ್ಣಿನಿಂದ ಆ ಆರ್ಗಾನಿಸಮ್ಸ್ ನೋಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. So by using what? Microscope. Microscope means it's a scientific instrument. See, by using microscope we can easily see what? Microorganisms means microbes. Microbes means it's a very tiny living organisms. We cannot see microorganisms with our naked eyes. Okay, by using microscope, it's an instrument. Easily we can see the microorganisms. See, some microbes are useful, some microbes are very harmful. See, some microbes are causing diseases. See, some microbes are called diseases are called what? Germs. ಸೊ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಮೈಕ್ರೋ ಆರ್ಗಾನಿಸಮ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? ಡಿಸೀಸ್ನ ಕಾಸ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಸಮ್ ಮೈಕ್ರೋ ಆರ್ಗಾನಿಸಮ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಫುಲ್ ಟು ಅಸ್. Yes or no? See, some microorganisms cause what? Diseases. Okay, which organisms cause diseases? Example, bacteria, protozoa, virus. See, these microorganisms are cause what? Diseases. Okay, shall we learn? So ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಯಾವ microorganisms ಯಾವ ಡಿಸೀಸ್ನ ಕಾಸ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಒನ್ ಬೈ ಒನ್ ನೋಡೋಣ. Okay, first one is bacteria. First one is bacteria. Bacteria. See, bacteria is a very tiny living organisms. Okay, we cannot see bacteria with our naked eyes. By using microscope only we can see bacteria. Okay, see, bacteria are unicellular organism. Bacteria is unicellular organism. Okay, unicellular means what? Single cell organisms. Unicellular means single cell. So unicellular means a single cell organism. Which one? Bacteria. Bacteria is a unicellular organisms. See, these organisms we cannot see with our naked eyes because very small. Okay, see, these bacteria are a thousand kinds of bacteria are there. 1000 kinds of bacteria are there. Yes, the shape of the bacteria is also very different. Some are a round shape, some are a twisted, some are a spherical, and some are a rod shape, and some are in a cylinder shape. There are different kinds of bacteria are there. Okay, yes, some bacteria causes what? Diseases. Some bacteria causes what? Diseases, such as some bacteria only causes what? Diseases. Okay, which one? Typhoid. Okay, next cholera. Next, and then meningitis. See, some bacteria causes what? Diseases like a typhoid, cholera, meningitis. So these all diseases are caused by which one microbe? Bacteria. Okay, see, bacteria is found everywhere bacteria found, but we cannot see bacteria. Okay, see, bacteria are unicellular organisms, means single cell organisms. See, 1000 kinds of bacteria are there. See, there are in a different shapes, round shape, spherical shape, rod shape, cylinder shape. There are different shapes. They are found in different shapes. Okay, some bacteria, not all bacteria, some bacteria or cause what diseases, which diseases, typhoid, cholera, these all. Okay, next one is protozoa. So protozoa is also type of one of the microorganisms. Okay, next one is protozoa. See, protozoa is also a single cell microorganism. Protozoa is also a single cell microorganism. Okay, same protozoa is also single celled organism. Okay, normally protozoa found in pond. Protozoa is found in pond. See, protozoa causes malaria and dysentery. See which disease they cause? Malaria and dysentery. See, protozoa cause which diseases? Malaria and dysentery. Okay, see, protozoa are a single cell microorganisms. Protozoa are found in pond. Okay, protozoa causes malaria and dysentery. See, in a stagnant water and in the pond, normally mosquitoes are laying eggs. Yes or no? So mosquitoes are lays eggs in stagnant water and the pond. See what happens? See, in the ponds normally protozoa are found. See, these protozoa, what they cause? They cause some disease like malaria. So ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? ponds ಮಲೇರಿಯಾನ ಕಾಸ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನಾರ್ಮಲಿ ಮಸ್ಕಿಟೋಸ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? ನೀರಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಸ್ಟಾಗ್ನೆಂಟ್ ವಾಟರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? ಲೇಸ್ನ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಎಗ್ನ ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸಿ ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ಮಸ್ಕಿಟೋ ವಾಟ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಎಗ್. ಸೊ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಲೆಗ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತು ಆ ಮಸ್ಕಿಟೋಸಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ? ಪ್ರೋಟೋಸೋವಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. See, when that malaria, when that mosquito injects, so when that mosquito bites us, so ಏನದು ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಬೈಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಕಚ್ಚುತ್ತೆ. When that bite our skin, so when they start to bite our skin, what happens? That tube-like structure, so inside what? Protozoa microorganisms ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? ಅದು ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಕಚ್ಚಿದಾಗ ಬೈಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಅದು ಬ್ಲಡ್ನ ಹಿರ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರೋಟೋಜೋವಾ ಏನು ಮೈಕ್ರೋ ಆರ್ಗಾನಿಸಮ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಬೈ ದ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಷನ್, ಬೈ ದ ಇಂಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ protozoa, it cause what? Malaria and dysentery. Okay, see, protozoa found in pond, it cause what? Malaria and dysentery. Okay, next one is virus. Next one is which one? Microvirus. See, viruses are very tiny living organisms. It's a very tiny microorganism. When we compare to bacteria, see, bacteria is also very small. It's a very tiny living organisms. When we compare to protozoa to bacteria, so protozoa bigger in size. So bacteria ginta protozoa ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದೊಡ್ಡದಿರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, bigger in size. But this viruses are very tiny. So it's a very tiny living organisms. We cannot see these viruses through microscope also. So normally we can see very tiny living organisms through microscope, but we cannot see viruses in microscope also. We just use what? Electron microscope. By using electron microscopes we can see viruses. Okay, see, because it's a very tiny living organisms. See, virus spread many diseases. See, like rabies, and measles, common cold, and influenza and etc. See, virus cause many diseases like rabies, measles, common cold and influenza. See, in present day, one of the virus is affected in the whole world. Which one? Coronavirus. See, you hear that word? Virus. See which one? Corona. Virus. See, present day. So, present day, which one virus is affecting? So, which one? Coronavirus. See, this virus cause what? Diseases. Which one? COVID-19. Which they causes? Coronavirus causes which diseases? COVID-19. Okay. See, this disease is spread through air by contacting with the person. So, it's see, this corona is also spreading. So, it's a communicable disease. Yes or no? See, this coronavirus is spread through air also and by direct contacting also. Yes or no? So, now let us study how diseases are spreading. So, how communicable diseases are spreading. Okay. So, communicable diseases are spread through air, water, food and also direct contact also. Okay. So, shall we study by one? So, ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಈಗ one by one ಯಾವ ಡಿಸೀಸಸ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಓಕೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್. Now we read how communicable diseases are spread. First, through direct contact. Through direct contact, many diseases, some diseases are causing. Which diseases? Okay, common cold, next chicken pox, and then ringworm, then hoofing, and cough. And cough also spread through direct contact. See, these all diseases are through direct contact. Which diseases? Cold, chicken pox, ringworm, hoofing and cough. See, these all are through direct contact and also through the clothing and also the some articles like using utensils and then their toys, their things by used by the sick person. So, sick person ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋಂಥ ಕ್ಲಾತ್ಸ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದಾಗಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ಅವ್ರು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಂಥ ಸ್ಪೂನ್ಸು, ಪ್ಲೇಟ್ಸ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದಾಗಿರಲಿ. ಸೊ, ಬೈ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್, ಸೊ ಅವರ ಜೊತೆ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಮೆನಿ ಡಿಸೀಸಸ್. ಸಿ, ಬೈ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದೋಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ಸೊ, ಈಗ ಸಿಕ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಡಿಸೀಸಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಆಗಿರೋ ಸಿಕ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋಂತಹ ಯುಟೆನ್ಸಿಲ್ಸ್, ಕ್ಲಾತ್ಸ್ನ ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಹೆಲ್ತಿ ಪರ್ಸನ್, ಸಿ ಎನಿ ಹೆಲ್ತಿ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ದಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾತ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಯುಟೆನ್ಸಿಲ್ಸ್, that person, healthy persons also get what? That same diseases. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಆ ಸಿಕ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋಂಥ ಯುಟೆನ್ಸಿಲ್ಸ್ನ ಹೆಲ್ತಿ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸೊ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಅದರೊಳಗಿರುವಂಥ ಜಮ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಹೆಲ್ತಿ ಪರ್ಸನ್ಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅವನಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇರ್ಕೊಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಡೋಂಟ್, ಯು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ಅವಾಯ್ಡ್ ದೋಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ಸಿಕ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್, ಅವಾಯ್ಡ್ those things. Okay. See, through direct contact, many diseases cause. Which one? Common cold, chicken pox, ringworm, hoofing and cough. Through direct contact or by the clothing or by the articles by used by the sick person. Okay. Next one is through contaminated water and food. through contaminated. So not only by the direct contact, so through contaminated water, and food also spread what? Diseases. Contaminated food and water also cause what? Many diseases. So which diseases are spreading? They are spreading cholera, then typhoid, then jaundice, and dysentery, and see, cholera, typhoid, jaundice, dysentery and food poisoning spread through water and food also. Yes or no? So through contaminated water and food also what? They also cause what? Some many diseases. Which diseases they causing? Cholera, typhoid, jaundice and also dysentery. See, these all diseases are spread by through what? Water and food. See what happens? See, when a sick person may carried by water. See what happens? See, by the contaminated water. See, ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಸಿಕ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಅವರಿಂದ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೆಲ್ತಿ ಪರ್ಸನ್ನಿಗೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸೊ ಥ್ರೂ ಫುಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ದ ವಾಟರ್. ಸಿ ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ಸ್? some germs are sit on that hemp and it carry what? Germs. See, these germs live on the food. See, these germs ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? ಮಸ್ಕಿಟೋಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸಮ್ ಇನ್ಸೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಸಿಟ್ ಆನ್ ವೇರ್? So that hemp, what happens? And it carries some germs. See, these insects are sit after it's a sit and a food or a water, and it leaves the germs into this water and also food. What happens? That food and water is all or contaminated with that germs. And when the healthy person intake that water and food, that healthy person is also caused by the diseases. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? So germs like insects ಆಗಲಿ and then some house flies ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ನಾರ್ಮಲಿ ಕಂಟ್ಯಾಮಿನೇಟೆಡ್ ಫುಡ್. ಸೊ ಸಿಕ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಅವರ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಅವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಹೆಲ್ತಿ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಅಥವಾ ಕಂಟ್ಯಾಮಿನೇಟೆಡ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಅಥವಾ ಫುಡ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ನಾರ್ಮಲಿ ಹೌಸ್ ಫ್ಲೈಸ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ಸೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಅದರ ಲೆಗ್ಸ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ, ಸೊ ಅದರ ಲೆಗ್ಸ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ? ಜಮ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಅಟ್ಯಾಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಜಮ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಅಂಟಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅದು ಬಂದು ಆಹಾರದ ಮೇಲಾಗಲಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ಫುಡ್ಗಳ ಮೇಲಾಗಲಿ, ವಾಟರ್ ಮೇಲಾಗಲಿ ಕೂತಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಅದರ ಲೆಗ್ಸಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥ ಜಮ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ವಾಟರಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತು ಫುಡ್ಡಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಸೇರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಸೇರ್ಕೊಂಡಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಆ ಕಂಟ್ಯಾಮಿನೇಟ್ ಆಗಿರೋಂಥ ಫುಡ್ ವಾಟರ್ನ ಹೆಲ್ತಿ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಇಂಟೇಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ, ಹೆಲ್ತಿ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಆ ಹೆಲ್ತಿ ಪರ್ಸನ್ಗೂ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಆ ಡಿಸೀಸಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್? ಬೈ ಥ್ರೂ ಕಂಟ್ಯಾಮಿನೇಟೆಡ್ ವಾಟರಿಂದ ಫುಡ್ಡಿಂದ ಹೇಗಾಗತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಥ್ರೂ ಹೌಸ್ ಫ್ಲೈ ಅವರ ಮಸ್ಕಿಟೋಸ್ ಅವರ ಇನ್ಸೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ನ ಲೆಗ್ಗಲ್ಲಿ ಜಮ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಅಂಟಿರೋದು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಕಂಟ್ಯಾಮಿನೇಟೆಡ್ ಫುಡ್ಡು ವಾಟರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? ಆ ಜಮ್ಸ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಆ ಹೆಲ್ತಿಯಾಗಿರೋಂಥ ಫುಡ್ಡು ಮತ್ತು ವಾಟರ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ವಾಟರು ಸಹಿತ ಫುಲ್ ಕಂಟ್ಯಾಮಿನೇಟೆಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಈ ಜಮ್ಸಿಂದ. ಸೊ ಆ ಫುಡ್ಡು ಮತ್ತು ವಾಟರ್ನ ಹೆಲ್ತಿ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? automatically that healthy person also caused by this suffer from these diseases. Okay, next, through air. See how diseases are spread through air. We breathe. Some communicable diseases are spread through air. Okay, spread through air, through the air we breathe. See, some communicable diseases are spread through air. So by contaminated air, when we breathe, we also suffer from diseases. Which diseases are spread through air? Cold, flu and then pneumonia, tuberculosis, mumps, and then measles. See, these are all spread through air. The sick person must sneeze or cough keeping a kerchief in front of the nose. See what happens? Communicable diseases are spread through air. Yes. See, such diseases are cold, flu, pneumonia, tuberculosis, mumps and measles. These are spreads through air. See, when sick person may sneeze or cough, what happens? See, if they not kept kerchief in front of nose, what happens? That germs are contaminated, so they are spread through air. So ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸಿಕ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಈಗ ಕೋಲ್ಡಿಂದ ಅವ್ರು ಸಫರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು ಅಥವಾ ಫ್ಲೂಯಿಂದ ಸಫರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು ಅಂದರೆ, ಸೊ ವೆನ್ ದೇ ಸ್ನೀಸಿಂಗ್, ವೆನ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಕಾಫ್, ಸೊ ವೆನ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಸ್ನೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅವರು ಕರ್ಚಿಫ್ನ ಮತ್ತು ಮೂಗು ಅಥವಾ ಬಾಯಿಗೆ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ಸ್? ಸಿ ಆನ್ ದಟ್ ಟೈಮ್, ಸಿ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ರಿಲೀಸಸ್, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅವರ್ nose, our mouth releases many, so thousands of germs. See, that germs are contaminated what? Air. See, when healthy person intake that contaminated air, see that person also is suffer from that diseases. Okay, so when you are going to sneeze or a cough, you have to keep a kerchief in front of nose. Okay, see, now what happens nowadays in the present day? See, coronavirus is spread through air. Yes or no? So coronavirus is spread through air. When you are going to cough or sneezing, we have to keep kerchief in front of our mouth or nose, and by using mask. So now we are going to using mask to control what? To prevent what? Germs into air. So ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ, ಈಗ ಮಾಸ್ಕ್ ನಾವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ವಾಟ್? ಜಮ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಆ ಜಮ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ತಗೊಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗದಾಗ ಅದೇನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ದ ಜಮ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ವಿತ್ ಏರ್. ಸೊ ಜಮ್ಸ್ನ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೂ ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ವಿಚ್ ಒನ್? ಮಾಸ್ಕ್. ಓಕೆ, see, through the air we breathe. See, cold, flu, pneumonia, tuberculosis, mumps and measles, these are spread through air. Okay, next, through the insects. See, some insects also spread what? Diseases. Yes or no? So some insects like example mosquito and housefly, these are all spread what? Many diseases. Examples like malaria. So malaria and filariasis and yellow fever through insects. Some diseases are spread through insects also. Which diseases are spreading? So like malaria, and then filariasis, and then yellow fever. See, these all diseases are carried by mosquitoes. See, these are malaria and filariasis and yellow fever are carried by mosquitoes. Yes, protozoa. See, you know, protozoa cause which diseases? Malaria. Yes or no? See, protozoa normally found in pond. See, malaria is also breed or laying eggs in pond only. So in the stagnant water. See what happens? See, these malaria. So malaria contaminated with the protozoa. So malaria dalli protozoa irutte. When that bite the skin, so when they are going to bite the person, what happens? It inject that germs into human body. ಸೊ ಅದು ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಕಚ್ಚಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ನಾರ್ಮಲಿ ಪ್ರೋಟೋಜೋವಾ ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಜರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿನ ಸೇರ್ಕೊಳುತ್ತೆ. ವೆನ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಪ್ರೋಟೋಜೋವಾ ಆರ್ ಇಂಜೆಕ್ಟ್, ಸೊ ಅದು ಏನಾದರೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇರ್ಕೊಂತು ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕಾಸ್ ವಾಟ್? ಮೆನಿ ಡಿಸೀಸಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ malaria, filariasis and yellow fever. So mainly female Anopheles mosquito cause what? malaria diseases. Okay, some rats, see this rats cause what? Rabies. Yes or no? Sorry, plague. So plague rat causes what? Plague diseases. Yes or no? See, many animals and insects cause many diseases. Okay, next, diseases are spread through carriers. Carriers means how? See, example, many communicable diseases are spread by carriers. See, some diseases are spread by healthy carriers of germs. See, for example, it means a healthy person has, many carry the germs of a typhoid, cholera, dysentery, etc. in his body. See, such a person may not suffer from the diseases. However, people who come in contact with the carrier are in a danger of catching the diseases. As for example, AIDS. See, AIDS are a very dangerous diseases. Yes or no? It's a communicable disease. Which one? AIDS. See, AIDS is incurable diseases. We cannot cure this AIDS. See, these diseases, so which one? AIDS disease damage the immune system of a patient. So, patient na immune system na ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? Damage ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ and it leads death. See, it's damage the immune system of the patient and it leads what? Death. And this AIDS is caused by the virus. It's spread the virus by HIV. So, AIDS HIV ಅನ್ನೋ virus ಇಂದ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Spread ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. See, we can control the communicable diseases. Yes, it's very easy. We can control communicable diseases by many methods. By many methods, we can prevent communicable diseases. So, ನಾವು communicable diseases ನ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು? ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. By many methods, by following methods, we can control communicable diseases. Yes or no? How can we control communicable diseases? ಹಾಗಾದರೆ communicable diseasesನ ಹೇಗೆ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು? By cleanliness. By cleanliness or by the vaccination, we can control communicable diseases. Non-communicable diseases we can control by vaccination and also by the medicine and also by taking food which is contained by the which vitamins and minerals. Which food particles are contained? Vitamins and minerals. By taking these food, we can control what? Communicable diseases. But we can control non-communicable diseases. But communicable diseases can be controlled by some methods. Yes, in the next class, we are going to learn how can we prevent communicable diseases. So, communicable diseases na hege control ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ next class ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು learn ಮಾಡೋಣ. Okay, my dear students, thank you.